Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to talk about how to monetize your Redbubble portfolio smartly and professionally. And previously, I have talked about how to make money in Redbubble in 8 different ways. So if you haven't watched this video yet, you will find this video below in the first comment. And as for today's topic concerning how to monetize your Redbubble portfolio professionally and smartly, so let's begin together with the first way. That is, if you have a good experience in design and if you are really good at dealing with some professional programs like Photoshop and Illustrator, so you can make a YouTube channel to show off your skills and your talents and share with people the tutorials of how to create attractive and beautiful designs. Therefore, you can make an extra income besides your print on demand business. Okay, so the first way is by making a YouTube channel to monetize your Redbubble portfolio. And number two, to monetize your Redbubble portfolio is you can use this portfolio as an entrance or an evidence to be accepted in some platforms like Creative Fabrica. Like this way, if you want to work as a contributor on Creative Fabrica, so you have to provide an evidence of your professionalism of your designs. Okay, so here you can work as a contributor. As here, if you work here as a contributor, you can earn up to 75% on each sale and earn recurrent revenue. Okay, so if you want to work as a contributor on Creative Fabrica or some platforms like that, you have to provide an evidence of your professionalism of how to create a beautiful and a wonderful design. Okay, so the second way to monetize your Redbubble portfolio is joining some platforms like Creative Fabrica. Okay, and number three is by sharing your designs on some inspirational sources like Behance.net. Here you can share your designs, your wonderful designs, as an inspiration source. Okay, so here if someone likes your design like this one, okay, he can hire you as a freelancer to create his designs. As you see, hire me and follow me and message me and something like that. Okay, so in platforms Inspiration Grade, Behance, Flickr, so you can monetize your portfolio when someone hires you as a freelancer. Okay, and the way number four is working as a freelancer on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, People Per Hour, Upwork, Legit, and so on, to provide the service of creating beautiful designs. As you see, making designs, here you will find a lot of people who provide these services. Okay, like seamless pattern designs, okay, your t-shirt vector designs, and so on. And therefore you can use your Redbubble portfolio as a sample and show off your skills and your professionalism and the quality of your designs and your work. Okay, so the number four is working as a freelancer in a freelancing platform. Okay, so and the way number five to monetize your Redbubble portfolio is when you are working as a YouTuber and making YouTube videos about any field, any niche like cats, dogs, fitness, motivation, and so on. And therefore you can draw the link of your store and your collection below in the description box. So you will find a lot of people would support you and purchase your topic t-shirts or the t-shirts of your brand. Okay, so you can monetize your YouTube channel as well as your Redbubble portfolio. Okay, and for sure the obvious method to monetize your Redbubble portfolio is by getting more traffic to your designs and your portfolio to get more sales. And to do that, there are some ways, like the way number 6 for today, that is hiring freelancers in freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Legit, and so on, and dealing with some influencers on social media like Instagram, TikTok, and so on to promote your designs and your store, thus get more traffic and get more sales. And the way number 7 for today is you can promote your designs and your collections on social media, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and so on. And for sure I have talked about how to promote your Redbubble designs professionally on social media. You will find this big list below in the first comment and the description box. And the way number 8 for today is you have to pay some interest to the SEO of your designs or search engine optimization. And of course I have talked about in some videos how to optimize your Redbubble designs to show up in the first page of the search results, and you'll find this video below in the first comment. And now you have known 8 different ways to monetize your Redbubble portfolio professionally and smartly. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.